My Husqvarna yth22v46 will not turn over. The battery is charged and I tried jumping it, but the engine doesn't even click. I'm trying to figure out how to check the fuse, which I think is behind the dash.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Husqvarna engine? How old is it?
Tractor was serviced last fall. It is about 4 years old.
What have you tried so far with your Husqvarna engine?
I used it earlier this spring.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
All I tried to do was jump the tractor. I'm new at this.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. Where is the battery? The positive battery cable goes directly to the starter solenoid/relay, and on the same post the battery cable is on, is a smaller red wire. This is the wire with the fuse. If the battery is under the SAT, fuse can only be accessed by removing the battery. If the battery is behind the dash, the fuse will be between the engine and the battery, near the solenoid.
Battery is under the hood. Maybe I need to know what fuse will look like.
Flat blade fuse, automotive style. Not in the picture I see. What is back to the left? https://contentinfo.au2zone.com/net/product-info/n/us/bsm/bpatc20rp/image/3/.
Found it. But this is okay, isn't it?
Yes, pull it out and check the Z to see if it is complete, or replace it.
This is okay, isn't it?
Looks good. Do you have a voltmeter to do any testing with?
No. How would I use it?
You would check battery voltage first, then see if the same voltage is to the starter solenoid.
I'll have to get one and get help later.
Okay, is battery 4 years old? Get a new battery.
Actually, clean fuse and tractor started. Thanks.
Good job.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.